Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken rod. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from initial preparation to finally acquiring this legendary item. We'll cover the essential prerequisites, pinpoint the exact location where it can be found, and share some valuable tips to make your quest successful. Getting the Kraken rod requires patience and a bit of strategy, but with these instructions, you'll be well on your way to adding it to your collection. Let's dive in. Before you embark on your journey to obtain the Kraken rod, some preparation is key. First, make sure your fishing skill is sufficiently high, ideally at least level 75, to improve your odds. You'll also need to stock up on powerful bait. Consider bringing 5 rare worms or specialized lures. Don't forget to equip your best fishing gear, including a sturdy reel and a strong line. Finally, bringing along a few luck-boosting potions can significantly help your efforts. The Kraken rod is found in a very specific and challenging location, the sunken grotto. This deep-sea cave is known for its powerful creatures. Once inside, look for a unique fishing spot marked by glowing coral formations. Cast your line into these deep, dark waters. Be prepared for a tough battle. The Kraken is a formidable opponent. You'll need quick reflexes and a strong hand to reel it in successfully. Persistence is crucial here. To maximize your chances of acquiring the Kraken rod, consider fishing during the in-game night, as this often increases the drop rate for rare items. If you have a fishing companion pet, make sure to bring it along, as it can provide valuable bonuses. Always aim for perfect casts to improve your chances of attracting the Kraken. Remember, this is a legendary item, so it might take several attempts. Don't get discouraged. Keep trying, and you'll eventually succeed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.